Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change screenshots format to a PNG in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. Where to look for our screenshots options? So, first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for advanced features menu. Then we need to go to screenshots and screen recordings menu. And here we need to go to the format option. So by default we have a JPEG here. And when we tap this option, we can change it to PNG. And now, as you can see, our screenshots will be saved in the PNG format. And that's it. We can close our menus and go back to the home screen. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.